TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. 3 hours left to go in the trading week, coming into that long Labor Day weekend. If you're out there, be safe, no drunk driving. If you're in the Florida area, anywhere, possibly in Hurricane Dorian's path, be safe, get prepared, get yourself some water, get yourself whatever you need, and hunker down for that storm. Stay safe. Jumping back to the markets, a little bit of mixed action coming into that long weekend. S&Ps right now positive by just 1 point, trading at 29.28. We got the Dow up 67 points, trading at 26,430. NASDAQ in negative territory, negative 22 points at 79.51. Gold contract, negative $5 at 15.3190. Oil pulling back pretty decently off a $1.50 at 55.20. The dollar index with some strength up 345 ticks at 98,800. Notes and bonds a little bit of lower price and higher yield. 10-year negative 2 ticks at 130.28. The 30-year negative 15 ticks at 165.19. And we're going to start things off. We're going to start it off with rates. Why not? We'll take a look. The 10-year sitting at a yield of 1.525% right now. Jumping over to the yield curve, your 2-year at 1.528. So you're only talking about 3 ticks right now. The yield curve still inverted with the 10-year yielding under the 2-year. We'll see what happens, though. That's as close as it's been in the last few days. Jumping back to the indices, we'll start it off with the Dow. As you can see, quite a little sell-off. Tom and I on the air for the Bull Bear Trading Hour this morning. The Dow went from 26,519. You cascaded more than 200 points to 26,300. Then we've caught a little bit of a bid. We're now sitting at 26,434. NASDAQ 100, much the same. We make a low of the day of 76.46. We've now got a bounce to 76.79. S&Ps sitting at 29.27. We're up at 29.45 early pre-market session. Crude oil, there's that fall off, quite a fall off from 56.50. You trade down almost $2 to 54.58, and we've caught a bit of a bid from there. Gold contract backing off to 15.3174, and as we've seen some dollar strength, euro weakness, euro sitting at 109.86. And speaking of weakness, it is still earnings season, and boy, oh boy, Alta, it just continues. Now down almost 30% on an earnings miss, a forecast miss across the board. Talk about a haircut, down $100 from the price yesterday. Man, oh man. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White live at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien live at 3. Have a great Friday, everybody.